This week we are reviewing shapes. So one fun way to review shapes and also review colors is this overlapping shapes activity. The first thing that you do is get a paper and draw big shapes on your paper. I used a big, bold, dark black marker so that my shapes would stick out. These shapes I chose were simple shapes and I tried to draw them the best I could. Remember, it's always wise to start with pencil, but I can't show you that on the video because it's hard to see, so I went straight with marker. Then, once I was finished and I had enough shapes, I decided to use only the primary colors to color the outsides of the shapes. Any parts that were overlapping or together were going to be the secondary colors. I was going to have to use my adding colors together knowledge to know which colors went together. So I knew that red plus yellow is orange, and blue plus red is purple, and here, yellow plus blue is green. Once I finished the shapes I had drawn, I decided I needed more shapes, so I drew in another one and colored it in. When you're creating this, remember you do not have to color it with the primary colors and secondary colors. You could use all the same shape or lots of different shapes. Whatever you create is up to you. This is just my example of what I made. Because I started with such a simple design, I felt like I had energy and creativity flowing through me to create more art based upon this prompt. So at this time, I decided to start with a pencil, drawing all kinds of shapes. Shapes I knew, like circles, triangles, and squares. Organic shapes, like a cloud shape and a flower shape. You can draw any kind of shape that you know. I did take extra time to make sure my shapes touched each other and overlapped. And then I colored them. I started out with one tool and found it didn't work very well, so moved on to oil pastel. Do you think I got all of my colors correct, or did I mess any of them up? Let me know if you create some art like this.